Good morning students, this is Joy Varghese from Uncovering Chemistry. Today in video 14 we are going to discuss, this is the chapter over unit 5 states of matter, kinetic energy and molecular speed. In your textbook it is given in page 147, topic 5.7, right? Now we must always remember that kinetic molecular theory explains the behavior of ideal gas, right? So what is given in your textbook, we will go through it and then we will explain the topic with a graphical interpretation. Okay, next part. So, this is the topic we are going to discuss: energy, kinetic energy and molecular speed. Molecules of gases remain in, the word is very important, continuous motion. Clear? Now this we have studied in characteristic of gases. While moving, they collide with each other and with the wall of the container also, in which they are being filled. This result in the change of their speed, means the collision of this molecule result in the change of the speed and distribution of energy, means that energy also becomes different, energy also changes, what we say. So the speed and the energy of all the molecule of gas at any instant, means at a given point. Suppose if you want to find a speed at a given time or at an instant, are not same, they are never same. Why? Because we have seen here they collide with each other also, with the wall also, and their speed is redistribution of, means energy also take place, right? So now the next part. Thus, we can obtain only average value of speed of molecule, not the exact, what we say. So, if there are n number of molecules in a sample and their individual speeds are u1, u2 and un, what we say, general form, then average speed of the molecule, that is UAV, speed of the molecule, can be calculated as follows. This is the formula for calculating the average speed, right? Now, this was being explained by two scientists. Maxwell and Boltzmann have shown that actual distribution of molecular speed depends on the temperature. What does it depends on? The temperature and molecular mass of the gas. Maxwell derived a formula for calculating the number of molecules possessing a particular speed. You can see in figure 5.8 that I will be drawing for you. A schematic plot of a number of molecule versus molecular speed. Number of molecules means you can also use the word fraction of molecule. What is the word? Fraction of molecule instead of number of molecule. At two different temperatures, T1 and T2, right? T2 is higher than T1. This is the condition what is given. The distribution of speed shown in the plot is called Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution of speed. Now this I will draw it for you. You can see in the page what we say. You can see Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution curve at a particular temperature, right? So this we are going to see the graph. Now when we say graph, we know two axes are there, right? X is x and this is y axis, what we say. Now on this axis we will be taking molecular speed, or you can also take it as kinetic energy, right? Here we will take fraction of molecule or number of molecules, what we say. Now suppose the kinetic energy, we take it a molecular speed 1, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and into 10 times, what we say, because it is high speed, they collide with each other. Here you can take this fraction of molecules 1.0, 2.0, sorry, 0.3, 0.1 because it is a micromolecule, 0.4, 2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. Now suppose at temperature T1, we are going to talk about T1. T1 is less than, or we can also say T2 is greater than T1. So at temperature T1, you can see, suppose this is the curve at temperature T1, right? T1. This is the curve, and you can see the molecular speed. Suppose we take nearer to 4, if you take 6, sorry, near to 6. You can see this is the area of the curve, what we say. Now this is the fraction of molecule, how much it takes, we can just get it from this distance what is there. Now suppose if when we increase the temperature, that is, suppose if you take T2 is equal to T1 plus 10, if I take, right, means if I increase the temperature by 10 degree Celsius, what will happen in this case? You will see the curve will broaden like this, what we say, right? Means if you see the distance, this broad part of the curve, what we say. Now this is what T1 plus 10, that is T2, what we call, right? So if you see the curve is being broadened. Now this is being explained in your textbook. Now what is written there? I will see, go through it. You can see here. Okay. You can see the graph shows that the number of molecules possessing very high and very low speed is very small, right? The maximum in the curve represents speed possessed by a maximum number of molecules. This speed is called the most probable speed, UMP. That is the speed what we are talking about here. Our graph was also the same, but we have talked about the broadened part of the curve, what we say, right? Broadened part of the curve. Here you can see the curve is just a peak, you can see very less broadened part is there. Means here number of molecules collided by increasing temperature is more, and here number of molecules collided at the given temperature is less, what we say, right? So now the next part what we say here. Now this is a very close to the average speed of the molecule on increasing the temperature. Now this is the conclusion. Most probable speed increases and also the speed distribution curve broadens, what I explained. So at higher temperature, broadening of curve shows that the number of molecules moving at higher speed increases, right? This is the most important part what you have to remember. Speed distribution. This is another important conclusion. You can see here, speed distribution also depend upon the mass of the molecule. At the same temperature, gas molecule with a heavier mass have lower speed. Mass if it is more, speed will be less, and lighter gas molecules. For example, at the same temperature, lighter nitrogen molecule move faster than heavier chlorine molecule. Because nitrogen N2 when we say, so it is 28 what we say, gram mole inverse, gram what we say. And when we talk about, it is given chlorine here, so chlorine 35.5 into 2, 35.5 into 2 what we say. So it is how much it is? 71 gram what we say. So this is heavier and this is light. So when we say here nitrogen 28 grams, chlorine 35 and 71 grams. So which one is heavier? So chlorine is heavier, means the speed of this molecule, chlorine molecule, will be less compared to nitrogen. Nitrogen molecule speed will be more. Hence, at a given temperature, nitrogen molecule have higher value of most probable speed than the chlorine molecule. So we will stop this topic here. Next time we will be discussing about the kinetic theory of gases. Okay. This is the topic which we are going to discuss in the next video. Kinetic molecular theory of gases. This is just for your knowledge. Okay. Now you can write down that Maxwell-Boltzmann curve in your fair book and make a note of it. Okay. Thank you very much.